Morning mathematicians, and welcome to Poster Method Monday. I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. We're going to read the problem together, and as we're reading the problem, you need to start visualizing and making mental pictures in your mind. Read with me. There were 5 boys and 6 girls playing in the park. Some more kids came to play with them. Then there were 19. How many more kids came to play in the park? So let's go over our steps. Our first step is to read the problem. Can you visualize what's happening? Tell someone at home what you are seeing. Step 2. We're going to read the problem again. Can you act out what's happening? Act it out with someone at home. We're moving on to our third step. Read the problem again. How are you going to solve the problem? What strategy are you going to use and why? Remember to choose at least 2 different strategies to show your thinking. Our fourth step, we're going to read the problem twice. Then we're going to work independently. Try the problem for the next 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to use 2 different strategies to show your thinking. Our fifth step, we're going to write 2 to 3 sentences on our data sheet about what we did to try to solve the problem, or how did we solve the problem. We're going to reflect. Our last step, we're going to share our reflections with a family member. How did you solve your problem? What strategy did you use? Follow this step when solving your poster method problem. Good luck.